Is this thing on?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when they
Hey y'all, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. I'm heading over to Krispy Kreme where I will be trying the new Elf Buddy donuts. So I'm going to get a dozen. I got an email this morning saying, hey, you know, like after the Thanksgiving and Black Friday holiday, I want to treat you to some donuts. So $5 off a dozen box, which is cool. I'll take the $5 off, of course, of a $19 box. So they also have some new drinks. One of them is a Ghirardelli hot chocolate, and the other one is a sugar cookie drink. So I am going to get the sugar cookie drink as well and tell you all what I really think of that. So I'll see you guys at Krispy Kreme. Okay, so here they are. She said that the $5 off doesn't work on a specialty dozen, but it does for an assorted dozen, so whatever. $5, I'm not worried about. Thank you. You too. They make it look so good on the advertisement, but then here it is. I get it just like this. Not even with like the whipped cream on top. Nothing. But anyways, it is what it is. I'm heading back home. Real quick, I'll show you guys the dozen. And then I'll try my drink for you guys. Just to show you. If I can ever get it open. Crap, I didn't want to break the box or whatever, but it's just not trying to pop out. So here we go. Boom. Can't wait to try these when I get home. Put this window up, y'all. It's cold. It is cold out here. I think that my car is reading that it's 36 degrees, which is ridiculous. Alright, let's try this drink real quick. And then me and Sky are going to try the donuts at home. And we'll determine, honestly, which one was the best. So. really could use some like whipped cream on top, and of course I didn't think it would look like this. Maybe I ordered the wrong thing, but maybe I should have ordered it as a blended beverage, like a frappuccino or whatever. But it is good overall. I definitely can taste like the sugar cookie in it. So yeah, but what if? Okay, so when I went back over the email, it says like you can get it hot, iced, or frozen. So yes, I did not ask for it the correct way, which is totally fine. I have ice at home, and I also have a blender, so I'm going home to blend it up and try it as a frozen drink instead of an iced latte, because clearly I just had coffee before I left the house, so I don't need more coffee in an ice form. And then, like I said, we'll try the donuts in just a second. So they have partnered with Warner Brothers Discovery Global Consumer Products to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the holiday classic Elf, to bring you sleigh loads of delicious fun this holiday season. So we have the Buddy Snow Globe Donut, which is an absolute perfect original glazed donut dipped in super duper sugar cookie flavored light blue icing and very white sprinkles topped with powdery sugar. To make a beautiful snow and magical Christmas chocolate elf piece in the middle. We have the original glazed right here. We also have Buddy Makes Breakfast Donut, which is an original glazed donut topped with dreamy, creamy, cake batter flavored spaghetti cream, buttercream, milk chocolate flavored candy, sprinkles, and a delicious maple flavor drizzle right there. Next we have the Christmas Lights Donut, which is a glazed donut dipped in rich chocolate icing, drizzled with luscious forest colored green icing, and topped with yummy rainbow sprinkles and a delicious and delightful elf chocolate piece in the middle. Last but not least, we have the chocolate iced with Christmas sprinkles. Then we have the Christmas Lights, which is a absolute perfect original glazed donut dipped in rich chocolate icing, drizzled with luscious forest green colored icing, and topped with yummy rainbow sprinkles and a delicious and delightful chocolate elf piece. Last but not least, we have the Santa Belly Donut, which is filled with scrumptious, diddly umptious cookies and cream filling dipped in Santa's red suit colored flavored icing and decorated with Santa's belt and candy buckle. Sky did. She said my glazed donut looks like your glazed head.
I'm taking my drink back and I'm not ordering no shrimp.
No! I'm sorry.
I did Buddy Makes Breakfast. Scrumptious. Well, you trying the snow globe. So this is a chocolate piece. Crazy, right?
Usually it always used to be like a hard candy piece.
Give it a try.
That's good.
Like a, is it sugar cookie like it says?
Kinda.